Look at that lacrosse bag. My lacrosse sticks are moving. Move over, Graham.
It just keeps this way wrong back and forth. It's not even making any noise.
Graham, what's going on in that bag? Check it out.
Let's see. You really bully.
Gentle, please.
Let's see. Hold on. I want to see what's in there.
What's in there?
Let's see. Let's see. Open it up. I want to see what kind of boy's in there. He's alive. Give me the thumbs up.